Hi everyone, this is Dentist Lynette and we are going to be studying about wisdom teeth. Yeah, I believe most of you know about these things, but hey, there are those of us that do not know or do not even want to study. But I'm here to just teach you a few details about the wisdom teeth. So most of you call them the third molars, which is right. And in my language, we call them amagego. So these teeth usually erupt around the age of 17 years to 25 years. Yeah. So if you're above 25 years and you have never seen this third molar in your mouth, my dear friend, do yourself a favor and go for an X-ray that will show whether this tooth is there or it's not, because some of them actually do not erupt and they just stay in what we call embedded wisdom teeth. But before we go, or before I rush you, how do these teeth erupt? Most of them erupt abnormally. Well, to some of you, they erupt normally, and big ups to you guys. But most people, they get a lot of pain when these teeth are coming and actually experience what we call periodontitis. What do I mean? You see this picture up here and that flap that is above the tooth or the gum. Usually this tooth, when it is erupting, it uses a lot of force to push up the gum. So as it is pushing, that is the pain that this person will feel. And most of them come complaining of the second molar, but usually it is actually the tooth that is coming. And when the pain is intense, because the upper tooth might be biting on this flap, what we do, we can actually cut the flap, or give you medication, whichever way we find the treatment. But anyhow, so these wisdom teeth, let's get back to our point. These wisdom teeth, after they have erupted, most of you do not get the time to brush behind here. You're always in a rush, and by so doing, these teeth keep harboring food. Remember, they do not help in chewing. They don't participate in chewing. So if they're not chewing, it means they're doing much of the keeping of food that this other teeth, the front teeth, actually chewing. Yeah. So when these teeth start keeping food, they get caries. Okay, get caries, and then get cavities. From the cavities, start paining. So my dear friends, before you start complaining of my tooth, my mouth is smelling and everything, look at your behind teeth. Are they clean? Are you cleaning them well? But anyhow, that is to you. Yeah.